Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Burp Suite is a powerful tool, widely recognized in the field of cybersecurity. It is an integrated platform used for performing security testing of web applications. With its comprehensive suite of tools, Burp Suite allows users to carry out all the tasks needed to test the security of web applications, from initial mapping and analysis of an application's attack surface, to finding and exploiting security vulnerabilities. It is used by security professionals and ethical hackers around the world. These experts rely on Burp Suite to identify and mitigate potential threats before they can be exploited by malicious hackers. The tool's versatility and effectiveness make it a staple in the toolkit of anyone serious about web security. The goal is to find weaknesses in web applications. By simulating attacks, security professionals can uncover vulnerabilities that might otherwise go unnoticed. This proactive approach helps in strengthening the security posture of web applications, making them more resilient against real-world attacks. Burp Suite acts like a middleman, intercepting the traffic between your browser and the web server. This allows you to inspect and manipulate the data being sent and received, providing deep insights into the application's behavior and potential security flaws. It sits between your browser and the website, capturing all the communication. This interception capability is crucial for understanding how data flows through the application and identifying any weak points that could be exploited. This allows you to see all the communication in real time. You can monitor requests and responses, analyze headers, and even view the raw data being transmitted. This level of visibility is essential for thorough security testing. You can even modify it. By altering requests and responses, you can test how the application handles unexpected or malicious input. This helps in identifying vulnerabilities such as SQL injection, cross-site scripting, and other common web application flaws. Think of Burp Suite as your hacking toolkit. It comes equipped with a variety of tools designed to assist in every stage of the security testing process. From scanning for vulnerabilities to exploiting them, Burp Suite has you covered. It has everything you need to conduct a thorough security assessment. The suite includes tools for crawling web applications, performing automated scans, and even conducting manual testing. Each tool is designed to work seamlessly with the others, providing a cohesive and efficient testing experience. You can intercept data, modify requests, and test for vulnerabilities. This comprehensive approach ensures that no stone is left unturned in your quest to secure web applications. It is essential for anyone serious about web application security. Whether you are a seasoned professional or just starting out, Burp Suite provides the tools and capabilities you need to protect web applications from threats. Burp Suite comes in different editions to cater to various needs and budgets. The Community Edition is free and provides basic functionality, making it a great starting point for beginners. There's a free version and professional versions. The Professional Edition offers more advanced features and capabilities, such as automated scanning and advanced manual testing tools, which are essential for more in-depth security assessments. The free version is a good starting point for those new to web security testing. It provides access to many of the core features of Burp Suite, allowing users to get a feel for the tool and its capabilities. It has all the basic tools needed to perform essential security tests. While it may lack some of the advanced features of the Professional Edition, it is still a powerful tool in its own right. Professional versions offer more advanced features, such as automated vulnerability scanning, advanced manual testing tools, and integration with other security tools. These features are invaluable for conducting comprehensive security assessments. Learning Burp Suite takes time and practice. The tool is powerful and feature-rich, and mastering it requires dedication and effort. However, the investment in time and effort is well worth it, but the effort is worth it. Once you become proficient with Burp Suite, you will have a powerful tool at your disposal that can help you secure web applications and protect them from threats. It gives you the skills to protect websites from real threats. In today's digital world where cyber attacks are becoming increasingly common, having the ability to identify and mitigate vulnerabilities is crucial. In this essay, we'll guide you through the basics of Burp Suite, helping you get started on your journey to becoming a proficient web security tester. Let's dive in and explore the powerful features of Burp Suite. Before we dive into the technical details, we need to talk about ethics. Ethics are the foundation of trust in the digital world. Without a strong ethical framework, the line between right and wrong can become blurred, leading to potential misuse of powerful skills. Hacking can be used for good or evil. The same skills that can break into systems can also be used to protect them. It's all about the intent and the approach. Ethical hackers are the good guys. They are the guardians of the internet, using their expertise to defend against malicious attacks and secure sensitive information. They use their skills to make the internet a safer place. By identifying and fixing vulnerabilities, they help prevent data breaches and cyber attacks. Ethical hackers operate with permission. They work within legal boundaries and always seek authorization before testing systems. They get consent from website owners before testing for vulnerabilities. This is crucial. Consent ensures that their actions are legitimate and welcomed. It ensures you are not breaking any laws. Operating without consent can lead to legal consequences and damage your reputation. It also allows website owners to fix the vulnerabilities you find. This proactive approach helps in building a more secure digital environment. Responsible disclosure is another important principle. Ethical hackers must handle sensitive information with care. If you find a vulnerability, you need to report it responsibly. This means communicating clearly and effectively with the affected parties. This means informing the website owner and giving them time to fix it. Patience and discretion are key during this process. You should never publicly disclose a vulnerability before it is patched. Premature disclosure can lead to exploitation by malicious actors. Ethical hacking is about using your skills for good. Always remember this. Your actions should always aim to protect and serve the greater good. Your actions can have real-world consequences. A single vulnerability can lead to significant harm if not handled properly. By following ethical guidelines, you contribute to a safer online world. Your dedication to ethical practices helps build trust and security in the digital age. Kali Linux is an operating system. It is designed for penetration testing and security auditing. It comes pre-installed with Burp Suite. If you don't have Kali Linux, you can download it from the official website. Once you have Kali Linux running, you can launch Burp Suite. Go to the Applications menu. Look for the Web Application Analysis category. Click on Burp Suite to start the application. Burp Suite will ask you to configure a project. You can choose the default settings for now. We will cover more advanced configurations later. Click Start Burp to launch the main interface. You are now ready to start using Burp Suite. To use Burp Suite effectively, you need to configure your browser. This setup ensures that Burp Suite can intercept and analyze the traffic between your browser and the internet, which is essential for web security testing. Burp Suite acts as a proxy. This means it sits between your browser and the internet, capturing all the data that flows in and out. This is crucial for identifying vulnerabilities and understanding how data is transmitted. This means it intercepts all the traffic between your browser and the internet. Open your browser's settings. This is where you will configure the necessary proxy settings to route traffic through Burp Suite. Look for the proxy or network settings. These settings allow you to specify a proxy server that your browser will use to connect to the internet. Configure your browser to use Burp Suite as a proxy. This typically involves entering the IP address and port number where Burp Suite is running. The default address is usually 127.0.0.1 and port 8080. This is the loopback address, which means your browser will send traffic to Burp Suite running on your local machine. Once you have configured the proxy settings, you need to install Burp Suite's CA certificate. This certificate is necessary for Burp Suite to intercept and decrypt HTTPS traffic, which is encrypted by default. This certificate allows Burp Suite to decrypt HTTPS traffic. Without it, Burp Suite would not be able to read the contents of secure web communications, limiting its effectiveness. Go to the Proxy tab in Burp Suite. This is where you can manage the proxy settings and configure how Burp Suite handles web traffic. Click on Options and then Import/Export CA certificate. This will allow you to export the certificate and install it in your browser. Install the certificate in your browser's trusted root certification authorities. This step is crucial for ensuring that your browser trusts the certificate and allows Burp Suite to intercept HTTPS traffic. You are now ready to intercept and modify web traffic. Browse to any website. Burp Suite will capture the requests and responses, allowing you to analyze and manipulate them. You should see the requests and responses in Burp Suite. This is where you can start your security testing, looking for vulnerabilities and understanding how data is transmitted between the client and server. One of the most powerful features of Burp Suite is its ability to intercept HTTP requests. This allows you to see all the data that is being sent between your browser and the website. To intercept requests, make sure the Intercept tab is active in Burp Suite. Now browse to any website or submit a form. Burp Suite will intercept the request. You can then modify the request before forwarding it to the server. For example, you can modify the parameters in a URL. You can also change the values in a form submission. This allows you to test for vulnerabilities like cross-site scripting, or XSS, and SQL injection. By intercepting and modifying requests, you can gain a deeper understanding of how web applications work. You can also identify and exploit security flaws. Section 6. Automating attacks with Burp Intruder. Burp Intruder is a powerful tool for automating attacks. It allows you to send multiple requests to a web server. You can use it to test for vulnerabilities like brute-forcing passwords and discovering hidden content. To use Burp Intruder, right-click on any request in Burp Suite and select Send to Intruder. You can then configure the attack. Choose the target, the payload, and the attack type. For example, you could launch a brute force attack on a login form. You would specify a list of usernames and passwords as the payload. Burp Intruder would then try each combination until it found a valid login. Burp Intruder is a versatile tool. It can be used for a wide range of attacks. Always use it responsibly and ethically. Section 7. Other essential tools in Burp Suite. Burp Suite has a suite of other tools that can help you with your ethical hacking endeavors. The Repeater tool allows you to resend requests. This is useful for manually testing for vulnerabilities. The Comparer tool allows you to compare two requests or responses. This is helpful for identifying subtle differences that could indicate a vulnerability. The Decoder tool allows you to encode and decode data. This is useful for understanding how data is transmitted over the network. These are just a few of the many tools available in Burp Suite. Take some time to explore the different tools and their functionalities. Section 8. Responsible disclosure: the ethical hacker's duty. As an ethical hacker, your responsibility doesn't end with finding vulnerabilities. Responsible disclosure is crucial. This means informing the website owner about the vulnerability and giving them time to fix it. Start by gathering evidence of the vulnerability. This could include screenshots, request or response data, and proof of concept code. Next, contact the website owner. Be professional and respectful. Explain the vulnerability and its potential impact. Provide clear and concise instructions on how to reproduce the issue. Give the website owner reasonable time to fix the vulnerability. This could be anywhere from a few days to a few weeks, depending on the severity of the issue. Once the vulnerability is patched, you can publicly disclose it. This helps to improve the security of the internet as a whole. Section 9. Conclusion: your journey into ethical hacking. Congratulations! You have taken the first steps into the world of ethical hacking with Burp Suite and Kali Linux. Remember, learning these tools is an ongoing journey. There is always more to learn and new techniques to discover. Continue to practice your skills. Explore the different features of Burp Suite. Experiment with different attack vectors. The more you practice, the more proficient you will become. Remember to use your skills ethically and responsibly. Help to make the internet a safer place for everyone.